Hello, Alex here, Retro Superbikes, and my cat wants to get involved in this little unboxing I've got of this ASMAX Smart Air Pump T10. I'm going to do a bit of a giveaway on one of these. It's got a 2-year warranty on it. It's a USB output, only weighs half a kilo, and it can handle between 2 and 160 psi. What do you reckon, Jazz? Should we have a look? Do you like it? You have to get involved. She loves unboxing, didn't you? Quite a neat little box inside there. Oh, look at that. That's smart. Opens from the inside out. So, let's have a look. What do you think, Jess? Do you like it? Pretty neat. I don't know if it's got some sort of light on it. Oh, nice little carry bag for it to go in. Got the old standard Schrader valve ending. A little twist to put it in. USB-C charge cable. And we've got like a football inflator and a Presta valve end. You don't want to get inflated, do you? And a user manual to tell you all the things it can do. Let's see if it's got any charge on it from factory. Oh, that's good, doesn't it? Hold the button down and it comes on, so you set your limits of what PSI you want, and it's set on car. Oh, so you just change what mode. So from car, motorbike, bicycle and football mode. That's good, it comes with a full charge from factory. Ooh. Very good. Hold the button down. Off. Suppose better give it a test on one of the bikes then, isn't it, really? To win the ASMAX digital tyre inflator, just answer this simple question. To what PSI did I inflate my rear tyre earlier? Just comment, make sure you're subscribed, and I will pull the name of the winner out of the hat and contact them within the next week. Thank you very much to ASMAX. Great product. Tuck down behind the screen. Whoa. Thank you for watching, people. Ride safe. Take care.